Knowing your credit score before you purchase the home is important when you're trying to secure a mortgage loan with a low interest rate. Lenders will pull your credit report to determine your financial risk. Low credit score is one of the main reasons that loan applications are denied. This is especially true in the Black community due to the history of discriminatory lending practices. Redlining, for example, allowed banks to deny Black Americans access to financial services from 1933 to 1968. As a result, Black Americans had to turn to high-fee loans, which are harder to pay off. This led Black Americans to accumulate more debt, resulting in lower credit scores. But before you can work on improving your credit, you need to understand what determines your credit score. There are 5 main factors according to FICO that make up your credit score. The highest factor, making up 35% of your credit score, is your overall payment history. The more payments you make on time, the higher your credit score will be. However, every time you miss a payment, your score can be negatively impacted. The next highest factor, at 30%, is your current loan or credit card debt. If you have high balances and maxed out credit cards, it can lower your credit score. But if you have smaller balances and pay your bills on time, it can increase it. The third factor, at 15%, is your credit history. The longer your history of making payments on time, the higher your score can be. Having a combination of different types of credit is another factor that may improve your score. Finally, if you've opened or applied for a lot of accounts recently, it can lower your score. Now that you know all the factors that make up your credit, it's time to review your credit score. You can visit www.annualcreditreport.com to see a free annual report and your credit score from the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Once you know your credit scores, you can begin to improve them. The best way to help improve your credit score is to use your credit cards and loans responsibly, and to make your payments on time. The longer you can demonstrate that you can responsibly handle credit, the more likely lenders will be to approve your home loan with a lower interest rate. But if your credit score is low, don't give up. You can work with a HUD-certified housing counselor to help you improve your score over time and get you mortgage ready. To contact a HUD-certified counselor in your area, call 800-569-4287. For more tips to Black homeownership, please visit our website at calhfa.ca.gov/buildingblackwealth.